Okay, children. Namaste, everyone. How are you all? I hope you are fine. See, today class we are going to learn angles concept. We know already what is mean by angles, right? So let me take here two line segments which are going same direction. Which are going same direction. Now tell me what is the angle? Now the angle is 0 degrees. So one line segment I'll keep same position. Then let me try to rotate the other line segment. See, from here I am going to rotate. Now this is amount of rotation. So this amount of rotation is going to be called angle. What is mean by angle? The amount of rotation is called angle. Yes. Now let me rotate like this. Yes. Now it is like L shape. One is horizontally there, one is exactly vertically there. So what do we call this angle? Anybody? It is called a right angle. It is called a right angle. This amount of rotation is 90 degrees. Now still I will try to rotate the ray line segment. Yes, now it is more than 90. Yes, now what do we call this? Both are opposite direction. It is called a straight angle. It is called a straight angle. So let me rotate like this. Now it is more than straight angle. Still it is more than straight angle. So once if I bring it to same position, this one complete rotation is equal to 360 degrees. And this one complete rotation is going to called one revolution. See, if it is like exactly L shape, it is 90 degrees. So what do we call below 90? Yes, it is some 10 degrees or 20 degrees, 40 or 50, 60 degrees, 80 degrees, 90 degrees. The angles which are below 90 from 0, between 0 degrees to 90 degrees, from 1 degree to 89 degrees, all these angles are going to be called acute angles. What do we call? Acute angles. More than 90 I will take, more than 90, 91, 92, from 91 to 179. So between 90 and 180, all these angles are going to call obtuse angles. What do we call better? Obtuse angle. So what is obtuse angle? Between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. So 91 to 179, all these angles are called obtuse angles. Sir, what do we call if it is exactly 180? It is called a straight angle. Sir, more than straight angle means if I rotate more than straight angle like this, it is called reflex angle. What do we call this? Even it is reflex angle. So up to 359, it is called reflex angle. So what is mean by reflex angle? Angle between 180 degrees to 360 means what? From 181 to 359, the angles are going to call reflex angle. Yes. What is mean by angle as better? Sir, angles are nothing but amount of rotation. Amount of rotation. Amount of rotation between any two rays. Between any two rays or line segment or lines is called an angle. Example, let me draw one ray like this, another ray is like this. Yes. Their common end point is O. One ray take OA ray and other ray is OB ray. See, after forming the angle, these two rays are going to call arms. What do we call better? They are called arms. So what are the arms here? Here the arms are, one is OA and other one is OB. So after forming the angle, these rays are going to call arms. And this one is called vertex. What do we call it is? Vertex. Vertex O. Vertex, that but common end point of these two rays. Common end point of OA ray and OB ray is called vertex. Now this amount of rotation is called angle. How can we represent this angle? Yes, we can represent this angle is angle. Yes, angle O we can write simply. This is symbol of angle beta. We can write simply angle O with single alphabet, or we can express with the help of three alphabets also. How can we express with three alphabets? Angle A, O, B we can write. Make sure that vertex O must be middle of those three alphabets. And also we can express angle B, O, A. Even here also you can see vertex O is the middle. So like that we can express the angle with the help of single alphabet or three alphabets. When we express with three alphabets, that vertex must be middle of those three alphabets. So this is about angle. And also we can see how we can measure the angle. See, let me take one ray like this. Now other ray is like this. Yes, it is exactly vertically. What do we call it is? A right angle. It is called a right angle. Now suppose you can rotate like this. straight angle. What about this? More than straight angle. See here, this is complete rotation. One complete rotation let me take one revolution. Yes. Once if I complete one complete rotation, yes, let me write here one complete rotation. Yes, let me write here one complete rotation is nothing but one revolution. What do we call? One revolution. Yes, that one complete rotation, one revolution will treat how many degrees? 360 degrees. 360 degrees. Suppose one rail keeps same position, other rail can rotate. Yes. Now we completed how many parts? One part out of four parts. This let me take 0 degrees and this will be 90 degrees. And after 90, this one is what? Straight angle 180. So every time just I'm writing this 90. What do we call this? 270. 270 plus 90. 360. 360. See, as we know, if it is exactly like L shape, it is called 90 degrees. It is called 90 degrees. First, calculate what is meant by acute angle. What is meant by acute angle? Yes, what is meant by acute angle? An angle whose measure is between 0 degrees to 90 degrees. An angle whose measure is between 0 degrees to 90 degrees is called acute angle. Example, from 1 degree to till 89 degrees, it is called acute angle. 0 means no angle, 90 means right angle. Suppose you can see like this. Yes, now it is below 90, acute angle. Even it is below 90, acute angle. Now it is below 90, acute angle. Yes. Next we can take right angle. Yes. What is mean by right angle? Sir, right angle is nothing but an angle whose measure is exact 90 degrees. One line segment will keep as it is, and other line segment will rotate like exactly vertically. Yes, like this looks like exact L shape. It is called a right angle. So what do we call right angle, beta? An angle whose measure is exactly 90 degrees. It is called a right angle. Yes. Next we will see obtuse angle. What is meant by obtuse angle, beta? Yes. Obtuse angle is nothing but an angle whose measure is more than 90, less than 180. Less than 180. See, one way same position, other way, that is right angle. Yes. More than 90 means obtuse angle. Yes, obtuse angle. So before 180 this is called obtuse angle. So obtuse angle is what, beta? An angle whose measure is between 90 degrees to 180 degrees. Between 90 degrees to 180 degrees is called obtuse angle. Yes. Now what do we can call this angle, beta? It is called obtuse angle, which is between 90 to 180. So next one is straight angle. Next one is straight angle. Yes. What do we call this straight angle? What is meant by straight angle? An angle whose measure is exactly 180 degrees. An angle whose measure is exactly 180 degrees. It is called a straight angle. Sir, what do we call more than 180? It is called a reflex angle. It is called a reflex angle. Yes. Now tell me what is meant by reflex angle? After 180, so between an angle whose measure is between 180 degrees to 360 degrees. An angle whose measure is between 180 degrees to 360 degrees means from 181 to 359. All these angles are going to call reflex angle. Example, you can see one line segment, same position. Yes, now I am trying to rotate one line segment, acute angle. Now it is right angle, obtuse angle, now it is straight angle. So more than straight angle is what it is now reflex angle. So reflex angle. So like that you can find the angles, types of angles you can see here now. What is meant by complete angle? Yes, we can say that complete angle. Complete angle means what? An angle whose measure is exactly 360 degrees. An angle whose measure is exactly 360 degrees. It is called a complete angle. That one complete rotation will treat as one revolution. See this total revolution I am dividing here 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Every time I am trying to rotate, increase 90 degrees. 0 plus 90, 90 plus 90, 180, 180 plus 90, 270 plus 90, 360. one right angle is equal to how many? 4. Out of 4, one part is right angle. You can say that 1/4 of revolution. 1/4 of revolution. Total revolution, total one complete rotation, they are divided in 4 parts. 90, 90, 90, 90. 4 lines are 36, 360. Out of 4, once if you complete one part, once if you cover this one part, which comes under 1/4 of revolution. 1/4, 1 out of 4 parts is called one right angle. One right angle. Sorry, beta. Next one, see. Suppose if you cover this straight angle, 2 parts be completed out of 4 parts. Yes, let me write here one straight angle. Yes, one straight angle is equal to, what do we call beta one straight angle is? Sir, it is called half of revolution. It is called half of revolution. See here, total we completed half out of 4 parts, or you can say it is we completed 180 means we covered 2 parts out of 4 parts. We can write 2/4 also. 2/4 means 2 ones are 2 twos are. What we can say, but half of revolution. It is half of revolution. You can see. And next we can see over here. How can we say for acute angle? Anybody? How can we write acute angle in terms of revolutions? Sir, acute angle means it is below 90 degrees. 90 how we can call 1/4 of revolution. No, for acute what we can say, sir, it is less than 1/4 of revolution. Yes, for acute angle we can say that it is less than 1/4 of revolution. Less than 1/4 of revolution. Sir, what do we call obtuse angle? Yes, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means more than 1/4 and less than half. Less than half. More than 90, less than 180. 90 means what? 1/4 of revolution. 180 means what? Half of revolution. Sir, it is more than 1/4 and less than half of revolution. Yes, obtuse angle we can write. It is more than. Obtuse angle means more than 1/4 of revolution. More than 1/4 of revolution, and what we can write better? Less than half. Less than half revolution. Less than half of revolution. Yes. Now we come to reflex angle. What is mean by reflex angle? This part more than half, less than one rotation. It is more than half, less than one rotation. Yes. Now we can write reflex angle. Reflex angle is equal to what we can write better? More than half of revolution. More than half of revolution and less than one revolution. Less than one revolution. So like that we can express the angle in terms of revolutions. Let me repeat once. This total complete angle 360 degrees. I am taking like one revolution. This one revolution let me divide like 4 parts. Every time we are increasing 90, 90, 90, 90. So this part is called acute angle. See, 90 degrees is called 1/4. 90 means what? We have to cover only one part out of 4 parts. So 90 degrees we can say that 1/4 of revolution. What we can say 180? So if you want to cover 180, we should cover 1 to 2 parts out of 4 parts. So for 180 what we can say better? Sir, 180 we can say that it is half of revolution. Half of revolution we can say. What about this part? Acute angle. What do we call this acute angle in terms of revolutions? One acute angle is equal. Acute angle is nothing but less than 1/4 of revolution. What do we call this angle? Obtuse angle. How can we express this obtuse angle in terms of revolutions? Sir, obtuse angle means it is more than 1/4 of revolution and less than half of revolution. What about this 180? Exactly half revolution. So what do we call this angle? More than 180, less than 60? Reflex angle. So one reflex angle equal to what? Sir, it is more than half revolution and less than one revolution. This angle is called reflex angle. So like that we can express the angle in terms of revolutions. Yes, here we can see some angles. They are asking classify each one of the following. Yes, tell me how can I say this angle? This type of angle is one is horizontally, other one is, see, it is like below 90 only. So when it is below 90, what do we call this angle? Yes, it is called acute angle. By seeing that we can see easily. And what about this? See here, one ray is horizontally, other ray is more than 90. Yes, if it is more than 90, what we can conclude? Sir, if it is more than 90, it is called obtuse angle. What about this? Let us see here now. One is horizontal there, if other one is vertically, right angle. If it is opposite, straight angle. But whatever the game is more than straight angle, is the angle which measure more than straight angle, it is called a reflex angle. What do we call better? It is called a reflex angle. Now see, what about this? One is horizontally, other one is like exactly vertically there, like exactly L shape. What do we call this angle? An angle whose measure is exact 8 degrees. It is called a right angle. What do we call this? See? Yes, one ray is like this, other one is, see, less than 90. If it is like this exact L shape, 90 degrees, but it is less than 90. So both the angles are called what? So both the angles are called acute angles. Like that, by seeing the measure, by seeing the angle only, we can identify that this type of angle is acute or obtuse or reflex angle. Yes, hope it is clear to everyone. What is mean by angle? What are the different types of angles we have? One complete revolution is equal to be divided into 4 parts. And how can we express right angle in terms of revolution? 1/4 of revolution. How can we express straight angle in terms of revolution? We learned all these things. Hope it is clear for everyone. Based on the knowledge, exercise 5.3, first bit and second bit.